is a form of passenger urban rail transit characterized by a combination of tram and metro features. LRT system of railway usually powered by overhead electrical wires and used for medium capacity local transportation in metropolitan areas. While its rolling stock is more similar to traditional train, it operates at high capacity and speed and often on an exclusive ride-on way. In Malaysia, the first LRT lines, named Star LRT, was constructed and opened completely in 1998. The original system consists of 66 stations along two routes, Sentul Timur to Ampang and back to Sentul Timur. Prasarana Malaysia Berhad is a government-owned multi-modal public transport operator in Malaysia under a government move to restructure the urban public transport.
Today, I'm going to talk about the advantage and disadvantage of light rail transit, LRTs. The advantage of light rail transit. Okay, first is more comfortable ride. Okay, the second advantage is larger capacity. The carrying capacity of the LRT is extremely large than others transport like bus. Okay, moreover, its capacity is elastic too, which can easily be increased by adding more wagons. Okay, next is lower operating cost per passenger. This is because LRT is a cheaper mode of transport as compared to other transports like bus. Most of the working expenses in railways are fixed costs. Every increase in the railway traffic is followed by the decrease in the average cost. Rail transport is economical in the use of labor, also as one driver and one guard are sufficient to carry much more load than the motor transport. Okay, next is LRT also lower noise both inside and outside. Okay, the other advantage of LRT is safety than others transport. The safest form of transport. Okay, the changes of accidents, breakdowns of LRT are minimum as compared to other modes of transport. And lastly, LRT is less polluted than others transport like bus, taxi. This is because LRT use electric to move. The disadvantage of LRT is high capital cost. LRT requires larger investment of capital. The cost of construction, maintenance, and overhead expenses are very high as compared to other mode of transport. Another disadvantage of railway transport is inflexibility. Its routes and timing cannot be adjusted to individual requirements. There is no rural service because of huge capital requirements and traffic. Railways cannot be operated economically in rural areas. Thus, larger rural areas have no LRT service even today. This causes much inconvenience to the people living in rural areas. The lastly is underutilized capacity. The LRT must have full load for its ideal and economic operations, as it has a very large carrying capacity. Underutilizations of its capacity in most of the regions is a great financial problems and loss of the economy.
Something new in rail industry in Malaysia, which is LRT3. The 37.6 km long light rail transit 3 is a light rail line under development in Malaysia. The construction on this project 16.63 billion ringgit Malaysia, and this project scheduled for completion by 24 February 2024, and the project will encompass the construction of viaduct, elevated station, underground station, and tunnel and depots. According to the Rapid KL, the LRT3 line will be serviced by 23 car train sets that are supplied by China CRRC Corporation, and the project is expected to benefit 74,000 passengers and 500 residents across the alignment by improving connectivity and reducing traffic congestion. It is also anticipated to strengthen the communities in Petaling Jaya, Shah Alam, and Kelang by promoting mixed-use real estate development around its station. Lastly, the development of the project is also expected to stimulate economic growth in the region and create employment for approximately 2,000 personnel during the construction phase. This all from us about LRT3. Thank you.